Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Mirza Idham bin Muhammad Nasir. I am from RSR1133F. I from the first group would like to present the coping strategy that has been chosen, that is brakes control. First of all, I want to explain the content that is contained in this video. First is I want to explain about what is brakes control. Second is the benefit of brakes control in helping the athlete to enhance their skill performance. Third is how to apply the brakes control, which will be explained by my friend. And last is reference. I hope you can take advantage of this video for future use.
What is breath control?
First, I want to explain about what is brakes control. Brakes control entails breathing slowly and deliberately with the least amount of effort. It will assist you when you are out of breath and anxious. In yoga, the technique described below is sometimes taught. It is easier to do brakes control when you are sitting down, comfortable and not out of breath. Breathing control is about the best of use your main breathing muscle. The focus is on reducing tension and using your shoulder and neck muscle to get into the best position for you to breathe easily. Your diaphragm contracts when you breathe. This pulls the lungs down, stretching and expanding them. It's relaxed back into a dome position. When you breathe out, reducing the amount of air in your lungs. You can see this diagram for a brakes control guide.
Benefit of breathing. First one is improved respiratory strength. Stronger breathing muscle enable athletes on all levels to improve their performance in high intensity as well as in endurance sport. Training your breathing muscle, primarily the diaphragm, prolongs the time until the fatigue and thereby prolong oxygen supply to muscle use during exercise. Number 2 is increase achievable lung capacity. Aerobic improve your vital capacity, which is the actual amount of air you can get in and out of your lung. Stretching your diaphragm and intercostal muscle allow you to decrease the residual volume and increase the amount of usable air. This, of course, is interesting for athletes as well as patients with asthma or COPD. Number 3 is boosted anaerobic threshold. To work harder, our muscles require more energy than can be produced using oxygen. Our body cannot supply enough oxygen for such high performance. Getting your muscle used to an oxygen-deprived environment ensures prolonged ability to perform at high intensity for longer period. And lastly, decrease stress level, improve mindfulness and relaxation. Meditative breathing patterns stimulate your vagus nerve, allowing you to achieve better relaxation. From those who need to boost recovery between sport events to those who work in stressful environments and need to relax after long days in the office.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rohanani binti Muhammad Hanafia and my metro number is 2020-450956. I would like to present about how to apply breathing techniques. There are a lot of breathing techniques you can do to help relax. There's how to apply and it's simple to learn and easy to do. Breathing patterns is developed by Dr. Andrew Well. It is based on an ancient yogic technique called pranayama. The numbers should be an easy giveaway for 7, 8. Refer to the counts when breathing in, holding your breath and exhaling. Start by sitting up straight in a comfortable position. Place the tip of your tongue on the ridge of your gums just behind your upper front teeth. Expand your diaphragm and slowly inhale through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for another count of 7. Open your mouth slightly, keeping your tongue in place, and exhale for 8 counts. Then, repeat these cycles 4 times. This exercise is subtle when you first try it, but gains in power with repetition and practice. Do it at least twice a day. You cannot do it too frequently. Do not do more than 4 breaths at one time for the first month of practice. Later, if you wish, you can extend it to 8 breaths. If you feel a little lightheaded when you first breath this way, do not be concerned. It will pass. It's promised to be powerful if used regularly over time. The idea behind these scheduled breathing sessions, however, is to retrain your entire way of breathing. With enough practice, you should begin breathing more deeply without thinking about it. That's all from me. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alif Shakir bin Safirul. My matrix number is 20208420048. And now I'm going to demonstrate the breathing technique. First thing first, adopt a comfortable sitting position and place the tip of the tongue on the tissue just behind the upper front teeth before beginning the breathing pattern. Then, focus on the following breathing pattern to use the 4-7-8 technique. Empty the lungs of air by breathing in gently via the nose for 4 seconds. Holding the breath for 7 seconds, then exhaling violently out the mouth for 8 seconds, pursing the lips and generating a sound. Repeat the cycle for 4 times, just like this. So last but not least, here's our references link of our presentation. I think that's all from us. Thank you and Happy New Year.